Ever pondered the subtle differences between drink, consume, and take? Well, it's quite fascinating how these three verbs, often used interchangeably, can carry unique nuances based on their context. Imagine, for instance, waking up to a sunny morning. You might say, "I like to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning." Here, drink refers specifically to the act of ingesting a liquid, usually through the mouth. This verb is your go-to when you're talking about quenching your thirst with a beverage, be it a refreshing iced tea on a hot summer day, or a warming hot chocolate on a chilly winter evening. But what if you're not just talking about liquids? What if you're also referring to the apple you munch on for breakfast, or the sandwich you devour for lunch? That's when consume steps in. Consume is a broader term that includes the act of ingesting not only liquids, but also solid food and other substances. So if you say, "I consume a balanced diet that includes fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins," you're talking about everything you eat and drink in a day. It's not just about quenching thirst, it's about satisfying hunger too. Now let's add another layer of complexity. Suppose you're not just eating or drinking, but you're ingesting something for a specific purpose. Maybe you're taking a medication for a headache, a supplement for better health, or even a sip of courage before a big presentation. That's when you take something. When you say, "I need to take my vitamins every morning," you're implying an action that goes beyond simple consumption. It's an act with a specific purpose or intention. So when we untangle the threads of meaning between drink, consume, and take, we find that each word carries its own unique weight. Drink is the act of quenching thirst with a liquid. Consume broadens the scope to include eating and drinking for nourishment or enjoyment. And take adds a layer of intention, implying the ingestion or use of a substance for a specific purpose. Language, as we see, is a fascinating tapestry of words and meanings, each thread adding depth and richness to our communication. So the next time you use drink, consume, or take, remember the subtle differences that make each word unique. After all, it's not just about what we say, but how we say it, how